Korem zone of the Tigray region. This town has a latitude and longitude of 12 degrees 30 and 39 degrees 31, A, 12.500 degrees north 39.517 degrees east, 12.500, 39.517 with an elevation of 2,539 meters above sea level and is located along Ethiopian Highway 2. Korem is located in the endorheic basin of the Afar Triangle. The streams near Korem do not reach the ocean. Lake Ashenge is located 6 kilometers to the north of Korem. The town of Korem is surrounded by Ofla Werda. The telegraph line the Italians constructed between 1902 and 1904 from Asmara south to Addis Ababa passed through the town and had an office in Korem. Near the town on the 9th of October 1909, Abraha Araya, governor of Ndeta, made a surprise attack at dawn on Dajazmach Abate Biawlu, the new governor of Tigray. Abraha had declared that he would not submit to the Dajazmach. During the Second Italo-Ethiopian War, the Italians are said to have attacked Ethiopian soldiers near the town with shells releasing mustard gas, with instances of Italians using chemical weapons use at Korem recorded for March 16 to 18 and April 4 to 7, 1936. More certain are the reports that 3 planes of Ethiopian Red Cross, sitting on the airstrip at Korem, were destroyed by Italian fighters. In 1937, during the Italian occupation, the Urbegnox sacked Korem, which was being held by the Italians. Minister of War Ras Abebi Aregai made Korem his headquarters during the 1943 Voyane rebellion in Tigray. The main road northwards was finally cleared on the 6th of October. Korem was the location of one of the early refugee camps of the 1983 to 1985 famine in Ethiopia, housing 35,500 children in April 1983. On the 21st of April, the TPLF raided the town, seizing humanitarian supplies and taking 7 relief workers hostage, who included 2 British citizens from the Save the Children Fund. The hostages were released unharmed 7 weeks later near the Sudan border. But Save the Children suspended operations in Korem until September of that year. From July 1983 up to March 1984, the monthly death toll in the Korem camp stayed under 100. Then it shot up until October 1984, when the daily death toll topped 100 a day. What food aid there was in Korem in October 1984 was from the European Commission, along with the camp at Atsbiai. Conditions in Korem were shown on BBC television on 23 and 24 October. UN Secretary-General Javier Perez de Cuellar and his wife visited the relief center in the following month. Although international assistance greatly improved conditions in the camp, they remained grim for the inmates, who were treated as prisoners. In January 1986, an estimated 12,000 of the camp population had fled into the surrounding hills for fear of being registered for involuntary resettlement. EPRDF forces captured Maichu and Korem 8 September 1989. Afterwards continuing their advance south along the main highway. Based on the 2007 national census conducted by the Central Statistical Agency of Ethiopia, this town has a total population of 16,856, of whom 7,532 are men and 9,324 women. 92.12% of the population said they were Orthodox Christians, and 7.65% were Muslim. The 1994 census reported it had a total population of 16,895, of whom 7,371 were males and 9,524 were females. The population comprises mainly Tigrayans. In commercial areas along the main roads, Amharic is frequently used as trade language.